What should be included in your tow truck insurance policy? Liability insurance coverage. Similar to other types of vehicles, all tow truck operators will be required to have liability insurance coverage. This type of coverage is required by law and will provide protection in the event a tow truck operator is found to be at fault in an accident that causes property damage or bodily injuries to the other party. Collision and comprehensive coverage. While the law does not necessarily require it, all tow truck owners should also carry collision and comprehensive coverage. This type of coverage will provide coverage in the event the tow truck is stolen, vandalized, or involved in an accident with an uninsured motorist. Due to the investment that goes into buying a tow truck, having adequate coverage is very important. Commercial tow truck coverage. A tow truck operator should also have garage keeper's legal liability insurance coverage. This type of coverage will provide liability protection for a customer's vehicle when it is stored on your lot. Tow truck operators should also have on-hook towing coverage that will provide insurance coverage during the period of time in which a car is actively being towed. With so much on the line, J.E.B.Insurance Services is here to help tow trucking companies with their specific needs. Call us at 888-225-2258 or go online to jebinsurance.com and see how much you save with a free quote today.